Kabayan, this video will show you how generous taxi drivers are in Saudi Arabia. Keep on watching.
السلام عليكم. How much military hospital?
Military hospital.
أيوة برنس سلطان.
20.
20? Okay. Brother, no problem. I have appointment 3 o'clock. My wallet I forgot. No problem. You take me.
Yeah, now not go.
No, I want to go, but I don't have money. No problem.
No problem.
Help me open.
So the taxi driver accepted to take me to my appointment at the hospital for free. Keep on watching.
Sorry, not strong, huh? Sorry, sorry. Can you help?
So the taxi driver not only accept to take me to the hospital for free, but he treated me as his brother.
Can you help?
Can you see? He picked me up from my knees, like from
shukran.
and he put me inside the car, really gentle. While I was inside the car, I felt really safe. I felt I am with one of my family.
Shukran, habibi. Shukran. Brother, wait. 1 second. Can you come outside?
What is problem?
No problem.
No go.
Huh?
No go.
No. Sorry.
No problem.
Sorry.
No problem.
Sorry, sir.
You are my brother.
شكرا.
أنت أخونا بمشلون.
شكرا. Sorry, huh? Sorry. Brother, come. I'll show you. Look. You see here? You see the camera there? You see there? There is camera. So we are only doing social experiment. I don't have anything. شكرا. والله I love you. شكرا يا brother. شكرا.
You know, this country seems my country. This people seems my akhu, seems my ukhti. I want to help anyone.
I love you. والله شكرا. You are from where?
I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan, Zonabad. Where in Pakistan?
Pakistan, Pashtun area.
Pashto. I love you. Wallahi shukran. So Kabayan, we are doing here social experiment to show you the taxi driver here in Saudi, how they are treating everyone. Even I am not Pakistani, you will still help. Yes. Wallahi shukran, brother.
Okay.
So brother, how much you are making in one day? How much you earn in one day? Are you rich?
No, this is 50 riyal, 100 riyal.
One day?
One day. And this day coming, no earning.
And you only earning 50 or 100 per day, but you still want to help me for free.
Yes.
And you help me also to get in the car. Wallah, I love you. Wallahi shukran. This one, I will just keep. This is your basa. No. I know you
want to help us.
I know. And I also want to help you. Shukran. I love you. Bye. Thank you. Zindabad, Pakistan. So Kabayan, this is our social experiment today here in Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. We are showing you how life is in Saudi. This is the real life here in Saudi, Kabayan. See, people are nice, are friendly, and they all trying to help each other. Hope you guys enjoy and hope God bless the driver. We love you. Bye-bye.